In the land of Egypt, where the Nile River weaves its life-giving path through the desert sands, rose the great civilization known as the Kingdom of the Pharaohs. These ancient rulers, regarded as both gods and kings by their people, commanded a wealth of secrets and mystique that enshrouded their reigns in both glory and enigma. Pharaoh Akhenaten ruled during a turning point in Egyptian history. A character distinct from his predecessors, Akhenaten was known for his monotheistic devotion to the sun god Aten, a radical shift from Egypt's traditional polytheistic beliefs. His commitment to Aten saw the establishment of a new capital, Akhetaten, and the creation of distinctive art forms celebrating a singular divine light. Yet, Akhenaten's reign was marred by controversy and opposition within the priesthood, leading to remnants of his visions being systematically dismantled after his death. Queen Nefertiti, Akhenaten's famed consort, emerges as a figure of beauty and power etched into the annals of legend. Her iconic bust, discovered in the sands of Amarna, testifies to the lasting allure and intrigue surrounding her persona. Nefertiti was not merely a symbol of grace, but also wielded considerable influence in state affairs, pivotal in the kingdom's diplomatic engagements and religious reforms. Following Akhenaten, Pharaoh Tutankhamun ascended to the throne. Despite his youth, Tutankhamun's reign marked the return to traditional gods and the reinstatement of old temples, a conservative shift following the upheaval of Akhenaten's spiritual doctrines. However, Tutankhamun's enduring fame in modern times arises from the discovery of his nearly intact tomb by Howard Carter in 1922, revealing a trove of treasures and insights into ancient funerary practices and daily life. Ramses II, known as Ramses the Great, stood among the most celebrated of Egypt's pharaohs. His reign extended for an unparalleled 66 years, emphasizing military prowess, monumental construction, and diplomacy. Under Ramses II, the construction of the majestic Abu Simbel temples displayed both his might and dedication to the gods. Beyond his military campaigns and architectural feats, Ramses was a shrewd political leader, negotiating the first known peace treaty in history with the Hittite Empire. The stories of the pharaohs are interwoven with the mystical allure of the pyramids, those towering testaments to their desire for immortality, rising against the vivid sunsets of the Egyptian sky. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built for Pharaoh Khufu, is a marvel of engineering and a reflection of the deep-seated cultural significance of the afterlife among Egyptians. Through their inscriptions, decrees, and the mesmerizing hieroglyphs adorning temple walls, the pharaohs left behind narratives of triumph, religious fervor, and human aspirations. These ancient voices resonate through archaeologic discoveries, revealing secrets long buried beneath desert sands. As current scholars continue to unveil the mysteries of Egypt's ancient kings through archaeology and technology, the legacies of the pharaohs endure, captivating generations with stories of power, innovation, and the eternal quest for the divine.